Woohoo! Yay!
Okay, Beezy, I'm gonna catch you now.
1 pig, 2 pigs, 3 pigs. Wow!
Beezy, come on, what are you doing? Come and help me.
No, Lizzy, wait! I'm counting the pigs.
Hello, kids. How are you? We came to the farm today with Beezy. Woohoo! Oh, kids, do you want to count the pigs together? Yes! Let's do it. Come on. Oh, there's 1 pig. Yes. And 2 pigs. Yes, one more. And 3 pigs. Yay! You're right. There are 3 pigs here. And look what they sound like. Oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, 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 oink.
Abracadabra.
What? Kids, did you see that? Did the pigs change color? Yes, they did. What color are they now? Yes, you're right. Yellow. They're yellow. But how? Who painted the pigs? Who? I can't see anyone. Kids, anyway, I have an idea. Do you want to sing the farm song together? Yes! Yes! Beezy, music please.
Okay, here it is. Come on, kids, join Lizzy. Abracadabra.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here oink there oink everywhere, oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Great! Great, kids! Quack quack, quack quack. Do you remember which animal was making this sound? Yes! Yes! Duck! Ducks are making this sound. Quack quack, quack quack. Oh, but where's the duck? Can you see any ducks here? Yes! Where? Over there? No! Over there? No! Right there? No! Behind you? Really? Yes! Yes! There are ducks in the lake! Yay! Come on, kids. Let's count them, okay? Alright, kids. Let's see. 1 duck. Yes! And 2 ducks. 2. 3 ducks. 3. 4 ducks. 4. 5 ducks. 5. And 6 ducks. 6. Yay! There are 6 ducks in the lake, right? Shall we count them again? Let's do it. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. And 6. Yes, there are 6 ducks on the lake. Yay! Look how cute they look. Oh, hi ducks. Quack quack, quack quack.
Abracadabra.
What? Kids, look! Somebody painted the ducks. But who? Do you know what color the ducks are? Yes, they're green. But who painted them? Who? Kids, did you hear that sound? Listen, listen. Oh, yes! Do you know what that is? Yes! Moo! Moo! Do you know which animal makes that sound? Yes! Cows! Cows make that sound. Moo! Can you see a cow around here? No! Well, a cow. I can't see it either. Let's check for it. There's a kennel over there. Let's check the kennel. Woohoo! Hello, is there a cow around here? Well, of course not. How can a cow can fit in a kennel? Oh, Lizzy, come on. Oh, kids, there's a coop over there. Let's check the coop. Let's go. Hey, cow. Where are you? Are you in there, cow? Well, no, because a coop is too small for a cow to fit in. Why didn't I think of that? But do you know what's in the coop? Yes! Yes! There are chickens in the coop! Oh, yes! Oh, look, they're coming out. Let's count them together. 1 chicken. 2 chickens. 3 chickens. 4 chickens. 5 chickens. 6 chickens. And 7 chickens! Yes! There are 7 chickens, kids. And kids, do you know what those are? Yes, they're eggs. Shall we count them together? Yes!
Abracadabra!
Beezy, was that you? Oh, Beezy was changing the colors with his magic. Of course, I should have known it was you. Okay, kids, let's count the eggs. All right. 1 egg. 2 eggs. 3 eggs. 4 eggs. And 5 eggs. Yes, there are 5 eggs over there. Okay, let's look at the colors now. Do you know which color is the first one? Yes, you're right. It's red. The first egg is red. Do you know the second one? Yes, it's orange. Yay! The second egg is orange. Let's look at the next one. And the third egg is... You are right, kids. It's pink. The third egg is pink. Let's look at the fourth egg. Do you know which color is this? Yes, it's brown. The fourth egg is brown. And let's look at the last one. The fifth egg. Do you know which color is that? Yes, it's black. The fifth egg is black. Yay! Yay, kids! You're very good. Did you hear that sound? It's the cow again. But can you see any cows? No! Oh, kids, look at there. There's a barn over there. Let's check the barn. Woohoo! Let's go. Woohoo! Yes! Kids, look, the cows are here. So you were hiding in here all that time. Okay, kids, let's count the cows. 1 cow, 2 cows, 3 cows, and 4 cows. Yes, there are 4 cows in here. Let's count them again, shall we? 1 cow, 2 cows, 3 cows, and 4 cows. Yay! Oh, listen to their sound. Moo. The cows make moo sounds. They sound very funny. Moo to you too.
Abracadabra! Oh.
Did Beezy change the colors again? Beezy! What am I gonna do with you? Oh,
Now it's your turn, Lizzy! Abracadabra!
what? You changed my color too? Beezy! Oh, what am I gonna do? Kids, do you know which color did Beezy paint me and the cows? Yes! Yes, it's blue! He painted us blue! But what am I gonna do like this? Beezy! Beezy! Change us back to our old state, please. I can't stay blue all the time.
No!
We can't stay blue like this.
No, Lizzy!
Beezy, come on. Turn us back to our old color.
Okay, abracadabra!
Great! Now we got rid of the paint. Woohoo! Hey kids, do you want to sing our farm song again? Yes! Yes! Beezy, music please.
Okay, okay, here it comes. Abracadabra.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck there and a cluck cluck here, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Great! Good job, friends! That was amazing! Yay! Oh, did you hear that sound? Meow! Meow! Do you know what makes that sound? Yes! A horse! There must be horses around here. I bet they're outside. Come on, let's go look for them. Come on, let's go. Woo! Hey kids, look, the horses are here. Hi horses. Oh, how beautiful they look. How are you horses? I'm too. Thanks. Okay, shall we count them? Let's do it. 1 horse and 2 horses. Yes, there are 2 horses here. Woohoo!
Abracadabra.
What? Beezy, did you paint the horses too? Come on. Kids, do you know which color Beezy painted the horses? Yes, it's purple. Beezy painted the horses in purple. But Beezy has to come back and change the colors. Come on, Beezy, can you come back?
No, Lizzy. Goodbye.
Come on, Beezy, come back here. Kids, I'm gonna get on my horse